I'm Matt Schrock, working with your child in mathematics this semester. I teach integrated math 1 and 3, and I want to make sure that you know how to work our Canvas page. This is especially important because we're seeing a higher than usual number of absences. And if your child has to miss school for any reason, I want to make sure that they're able to keep up with what we're doing. Here's how it works. Now, the example we'll look at is with an integrated 3 class. The IM1 class is very similar setup. So the material, rather than being laid out day by day, is going to be laid out in terms of units. Ideally, your student is just going to simply do things in the order they're presented. So if your child has missed, say, several weeks, I just had a student who showed up for the first time yesterday, they know where to pick up right at the beginning. There are recorded versions of lessons. We do still do some live lessons as well. There are PDFs of the notes. And after each section, your student simply continues on to the next section. In the middle, that's where your lesson materials are. Over here on the right-hand column, this is where you're going to see the practice. You and I might call this the homework. The practice comes in several varieties. First of all, anytime you see numbers listed, that means it's coming from our online textbook. The numbers that I give in the Canvas correspond with the numbers for the problems that I'd like the students to do. Occasionally, there are also links to practice sheets, worksheets we call them, that just hone particular skills, give you some additional practice as well. There are solutions posted for everything so that your students can check their work as they go. A note of explanation on the practice, because it kind of looks like there's a lot of it. There are 3 different levels. The top level in each section is called the core. That's the work I need everybody to do. That's kind of the bare minimum to make sure you know what's going on. If your student's planning to ever take another math class, which most of our students are, they should also plan to work on this extension line. The advanced truly is advanced. Consider those optional, and if there's time, those are more challenging problems. So if that's something you'd like your student to work on, by all means they can. But core is the expectation for everyone. Extension is the expectation for all students planning to take another class. Now, whether they are here on campus or need to be absent, I'm always available for questions and discussion. If your student is absent and wants to send in a question, email is the best way to get that done. Thank you.